considering the industry that where we operate in, data is of utmost importance to us. A lot of things that we do is over technology, and we start right from doing our basic calls into market. Placing an order starts from a handheld mobile device. That gets synchronized into another automated device in the distributor end, and then it comes back to our headquartered systems where we get the management reporting done. A lot of emails that float around between many management personnel in the organization who needs to be aware about what is what of the performance. So it's critical that you have to put in proper processes and systems to ensure data leakage doesn't happen, and also you have to be aware of phishing, etc., so that it doesn't put you into a spot. So a lot of money has gone in. So we have got a very strong security team based out of US who governs the process for us and who takes care of this.
I used to see nowadays everything is online, right? So there are a lot of retailers, a lot of companies really jumping onto the bandwagon of the online business. With this, a lot of data is being punched into the online cyberspace, which is very confidential. And to mitigate the risk of these businesses or the downturn of these businesses, one of the most important area is to how you can ensure the absolutely zero risk cyber security. So this is important because data is important. If you fail on this count, the business would be nowhere. So, but the companies are actually very proactively working on these, and they are making sure that before they jump onto any of such items or start any of such businesses, cyber security has to be made sure that it is absolutely nailed down. Whether it is the firewalls or it is related to any reactive measures to catch these anomalies in the entire stream of data transformation and the data transfer. It is very important for all the companies really to look into the matter of cyber security first and then really launch any other thing. If cyber security is tight, then probably this kind of business would grow by leaps and bounds in the years to come.